Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is finally back. Okay y'all, so in this video I am just doing some twists. I don't know, I'm just gonna call them just twists because I just was adding in a little hair to keep some of her length and all that good stuff. But as you can see, I started off with freshly washed hair. You can see it's shrunken up really bad. And that cream that I'm using is the African Pride cream, and I just put that on there, just to moisturize it, because y'all already know I believe in wearing a style for a long time. So we're gonna moisturize it good so that up under the protective style her hair is good. Now that hair right there that I have is some what is it called, Expressions. I don't know, I'll try to put it in the description box. I forgot the name of it, y'all, but it's that hair. It comes in 3 bundles in a pack, and I had used some for my head and I had a bundle left, and I just decided to cut that bundle in half and use smaller pieces to put them in her head. Now when I first put them in, y'all, I'm just braiding them at the root, because I was gonna do like the invisible method, but I just felt like that would come loose a little quicker than a braid. So I just decided to braid it at the root, and then once I get to the point where I'm satisfied with it, I started to twist it. I had her hair in the middle, and I split her hair in half, even off with the other hair, and I just twisted all the way down, something like I did with my what they were, passion twist. I don't know, it was some twist that I did on my channel, and I did my hair the exact same way, and you saw that I let it go, and that was just so that it wouldn't be such a tight twist. So I let it go to loosen it up. And then at the end, I just cut off that's not her hair, that's the weave, and I just cut that off. And I wanted to do it on freshly washed hair, 1 because it was going to be in there for a minute, but 2 because her hair had shrunk, it would shrink up, and her hair was way longer than the weave. So with it being in a shrunken state, I was able to have the weave longer than her hair, if that makes sense. But y'all, I'm back. I know I've been gone for a minute. Sorry about that. Had to, take a little break or whatever. I might do a video on that, but who knows, I may not, but I'm back. Jesus, doing this voiceover, I am actually tired. But that's it, y'all. That's all I did in the video. I did these twists. Hopefully they last at least 2 weeks. I would love a month, but for sure 2 weeks. She loved it. She's always wanting her hair like mine, so she was super happy when she figured out what I was doing. And yeah, this is just the style, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're not new and you've been here, hey girl, hey, I am back. I'll be posting more videos for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.